Mix milk filling with beetroot powder until evenly blended. Roll the mixture into small balls of about 4 grams each, then refrigerate. Prepare a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Place the crystal premix into a mixing bowl. Add the boiled water into the premix and whisk until smooth. Once there are no lumps, pour the mixture into a measuring cup. Divide a portion of the mixture into 2 small bowls. Add red food coloring to one bowl and black food coloring to the other, mixing well. Place the bunny silicone mold into the steamer. Use a dropper to fill the bunny ears with red mixture, about halfway. Use another dropper to fill the eyes with black mixture. Steam over high heat for 1–2 minutes until slightly set. Fill the mold with crystal mixture to about 1/3. Steam over high heat for 3–5 minutes, until the surface turns semi-transparent and sticky. Place the prepared red milk filling ball into the mold. Pour the remaining crystal mixture into the mold until full. Cover with a lid and steam again over high heat for 12–15 minutes, until fully transparent. Transfer to the freezer and chill for about 3–4 hours. Once completely hardened into a white solid state, remove from the mold. Your adorable little crystal bunny is ready. After thawing, it will turn soft, bouncy, and beautifully translucent.